Hello! In this video, you'll learn how to create pixel art in Blender in just a couple of minutes. I've already added the model to the scene, and then in this 3D viewport window, I switch the display mode to rendered to see the result immediately. Slightly adjusted lighting for better contrast. Now I hover over the window corner. When the double-headed arrow appears, hold down the left mouse button and drag to create a new window. Switch right to shader editor. Make sure you have an object selected and use nodes is turned on. Next, I press Shift+A and add shader to RGB right between the existing nodes. We will also need color ramp. In the color ramp, in the interpolation settings, select constant. I move the white color toward black and add gray in between. Something like this. I'll further edit the lighting. That's all the settings in the shader editor. Now I'm switching to render. Make sure the render engine is set to Eevee. Viewport samples and render samples set to 1. Then I switch to the Output tab and set resolution to 47%. If you want a stronger pixilation effect, you need to decrease this percentage value. All that's left is to set up the camera. To do this, I press 0. Then Shift+tilde to control it and move the W button. Press F12 to render. Here's our finished pixel art. If you liked it, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials.